everyone.
Honestly, my head is starting to hurt too.
Yeah, I'm dead, honestly. Okay, so I'm Hawa, and we're doing the Somali challenge. So 5 questions, and me and Hamdi are gonna translate it to Somali. Whoever translates it the best wins. Okay, first
round
question.
1.
Yes.
Thanks.
My name is.
You're first.
My name Hawa.
Magahe Mawaya Hamdi.
Who pronounced it better?
You did.
I win.
1.
Shadi, it's because my head is spinning.
2.
2.
I think it's like
My eyes hurt.
Okay, go.
My eyes hurt.
Mhm.
I don't know how to say eyes in Somali.
Just try.
Eyes hurt.
You're kidding me.
I don't know.
Okay. My eyes hurt is India Hanunayo.
Oh, I knew it because they used to call me in the agar when I was a little.
Does that mean green eyes?
I thought it was red eyes.
In the Gudud.
In the Gudud, my bad. It wasn't in the agar. It was in the Gudud because they thought I was the devil when I was a kid.
Miskin. Listen.
Okay,
Round
third.
3.
Yeah.
I'm wearing necklace.
Is it my turn?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know how to say necklace.
At least say part of the sentence.
Okay,
Wait, how come you're more lenient with her?
I'm mean to
You
everybody.
said you know how to say eyes.
I think that's
And then I said
fucked
child.
up.
Okay. I'm wearing a necklace is,
Said,
The hell,
I
Gishna.
want you to love me more.
I don't know. Dahaba Gishna.
You said that?
Yeah. I don't know.
Isn't that gold?
Yeah, but I don't know how to say necklace.
Okay, go.
I was about to say Kishili.
I'm wearing a necklace. Go.
I know, but I thought Kishili was necklace for a second.
What the heck is Keishali?
Bruh.
I've never heard of that. Keishali?
What do you say Kishili? What do you say bra? I mean in Somali then.
Rajabeto? Or
No,
Rajasi?
one after lie. She says the most. I've never heard the
What the heck is Keishali?
Corbeto and the sea.
Anyways, go. It doesn't matter.
Regibeto. She says Corbeto for busto.
Corbeto.
The
Yeah, but
Italians
she's
colonized us.
Muslim.
What can I do about it?
Okay, go.
Okay.
I don't know.
Wait, what was it? My eyes
I'm
hurt?
wearing a necklace.
Oh, yeah, I don't know. So, and she doesn't know, so what is it?
So it's good we both don't get it.
Okay, move on.
So let's throw out that round.
No, we move on.
Yeah, we both
Round.
don't know, so we both have 1 point now, right?
Yep.
So round 3.
Round 3. The phone is ringing.
Okay, go.
It's not my turn. It's your turn now.
No, I did necklace first.
Yes, she did.
Oh, we're doing necklace first?
The phone is ringing.
The phone is ringing.
I'm thinking.
Okay.
Telephone call.
Oh my god. There's no word for ringing.
That's I don't know what ringing is.
So, bless you.
What is ringing? Shadia.
Telepon mo ko ya.
Oh. You're right.
Okay, let's move on. Round
Okay.
4. It's still 1-1.
Wow.
At least I'm not losing.
I know. Okay,
Round
go.
4.
I'm gonna kill myself.
I'm wearing glasses.
Okay, is it my turn?
Mhm.
Ogyala Gishna.
Hmm?
Ogyala Gishna.
Kialo.
I'm wearing glasses.
Kialo. What do you think? Kialo.
Ogyala.
Oh, Kialo?
Gishna.
Isn't it Kialo?
Ban Harana. Ban Harane.
Go.
Kialo Wahirana.
Kialo for glasses?
Yeah.
What the hell are Kialo?
Okay, wata.
We're both
Okay.
wrong.
It says like you both are tied because you
Okay.
said the translation
Okay.
for at least
Okay, 2-2.
Yeah.
Number 5.
number 5. Number 5. Okay. My hair is braided.
Girl, I don't know what the hell braided is.
There's a word for it.
Never mind, I do.
Okay, go.
Tumahe hoye de with update.
Hoy mo ko din.
She didn't mention
Okay,
that.
tumahe what the way.
Okay. Go.
Okay, my hair is braided as Timheo or Dubson type.
J1.
Are you kidding me, Shadia? Timmy what dabe? What's
You said
Yo,
Timmy
boy,
what
the
the
boy.
hoy what even that.
okay? What then? My second time I said Timmy what
Listen,
dabe?
Timheo Dabe means I braided my hair.
Yeah, that's
I
what she
said
said, right?
No, she said my hair is braided. So I said Timheo Dubson type.
Huh.
Oh yeah.
So I won.
Can we do
We're
winner
doing
takes all?
Yes,
The winner takes all?
Yeah.
Turn off the light.
Okay, let's say in 5 sentences, okay?
Wait,
In 5
can I
seconds.
think?
Okay, think about it.
Can I think? You know, I'll just let you have this.
Mahagami.
Nalhadini.
Look at me.
Nalkadimi.
Okay, then she can no. Then we gotta do another one because she did it wrong.
Okay, but I still won the challenge.
You did it wrong.
Okay.
Okay, another lightning round.
Round 2. Okay. Close the door.
Okay, let's say.
Abang ke head.
Okay, it's your turn. Go. She said it. You go.
Abab Keher.
Okay, so you all still thought.
Okay.
She still won.
I still
How
won
did
the
she
challenge.
still
I still won the
win?
challenge. That is the end. Bye.